Welcome to Carly's Colorful Corner, where I integrate education with the visual arts. In this package, you will receive a variety of fun educational materials that include interactive lessons and games to assess your knowledge of the animal or subject matter that we will be creating at that current moment in time. In addition, you will get guidance from a certified art educator with over 14 years of experience. I will teach you and guide you step by step in the process of drawing your subject matter using simple shapes and basic lines. We will also learn how to get proper measurements and proportions using a secret referencing technique. In this package, you will receive a variety of tutorials that will teach you how to draw in the cute, anime, or kawaii style. If you're looking for something a little more advanced or intermediate, please don't forget to check out our realistic drawing packages. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you in the classroom.